Do you know you can make this delicious cake with just one orange? Yes, one orange. So throw in one orange into a pot, allow it to come to a boil, bring it out and place it in your baking bowl. Then go ahead, add in some sugar. Roughly blend this with your hand blender or your normal kitchen blender. All the list of ingredients used and measurements will be in the description box and comment section. Do check it out. Now you've roughly blended the orange and sugar mixed together. Now go in and add in your cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Add in your vanilla extract and then go ahead and crack in some eggs. I am using 3 medium-sized eggs. Where are you watching me from? Let me know in the comment section so I can welcome you on this page. So now I'll go ahead and mix all these ingredients together, which is the egg, the oil, vanilla extract, and my blended orange with sugar. I'll mix them all until it's mixed up thoroughly. After mixing, I will go ahead and sift in my flour. I'll add in some baking powder, some pinch of salt, and I will sift this together. I will then go ahead and mix this until it comes out smooth. So this is the consistency you want your cake batter to be looking like. Now I'll go ahead and oil my baking mold. You can use your baking pan, your baking dish, or if you have this kind of baking mold, you can use that so you will have that like nice shape. I will transfer this into my baking mold and I will put into my preheated oven and bake on 190 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until you chook your skewer into your cake batter and it comes out dry and clean. Then you know like it's well baked. If you have watched this video to this extent, please, I would urge you to subscribe if you've not done so. Give this video a like and share so other people can enjoy this deliciousness. Like you can see how this cake came out. It's so smooth and delicious. So now if you want to take it to another level, you are going to be making some sugar glazing now to glaze this delicious cake. I'll add in my powdered sugar and some freshly squeezed orange juice. I'll mix this all up together, and if you want you can also add in some vanilla essence to give it that like nice vanilla hint. So this is the consistency of our sugar glaze. The full measurement will be on the description box. Do not forget to access them. So now I will transfer the cooled cake into my cake rack, and I will then go ahead and glaze this gorgeous cake. So you want to spread this all over the cake, and I tell you, at this point your kitchen is going to be smelling so nice and delicious. So after this you can go ahead and add in some orange zest to give it that like nice flavor. And now let's have a taste test. We're just going to have a slice and I'll show you how delicious this cake came out. It's so easy to make. I bet you want to make some so you can enjoy with friends and family. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share so you will get to enjoy more recipes from this channel.